In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Gohighlevel. For many of you looking to deliver incredible value to your clients or to scale up your educational content, Gohighlevel offers a comprehensive platform to build and manage courses effectively. Let's dive right in and guide you through the entire process, ensuring you have everything you need to start creating outstanding courses for your audience. First things first, make your way to Gohighlevel's homepage. Here you'll find a lot of information about the services they provide, but what we're interested in today is getting into the dashboard where the magic happens. So look for the Login to App button. This is your gateway into the inner workings of Gohighlevel, where you'll begin the course creation process. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start with your email address, the one you used to sign up for Gohighlevel. Make sure it's typed in correctly. Sometimes a simple typo can be the source of login issues. After you've filled in your email, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as you set it up, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Next, hit the sign in button to gain access to your Gohighlevel dashboard. But hold on, before you can jump in, there's an additional security measure to navigate. Click on Send Security Code to have a security code sent to your email or phone, depending on your setup. This extra step ensures that your account and all the valuable content within it remains secure against unauthorized access. Once you receive the code, go ahead and enter it to finalize your login. Now that you're logged in, let's get to the heart of the matter. Navigate your way to the Gohighlevel dashboard, which is the control center for all your activities on the platform. Here you're going to find a variety of tools and options, but our focus is on creating a course. Look for the sub-accounts section, because everything within Gohighlevel is organized under specific accounts. Select the account under which you wish to create your course. Within the chosen sub-account, direct your attention to the membership area. This section is specifically designed for managing member access, courses, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it's where you'll spend most of your course creation time. Inside the membership area, find and click on Courses. This will bring you to a section dedicated entirely to course management, where you'll manage existing courses and, most importantly, where you'll create new ones. But before we get to the actual course creation, there's another step. Click on Products. This might seem a bit confusing, but in Gohighlevel, your course content is nested under products, allowing for a structured and organized method to handle various types of offerings. Finally, it's time to give life to your course. Within the product section, find and click on the Create Product button. This is where your journey truly begins. From here, you'll be taken through a series of steps to define your course, from naming it and setting up a description to uploading content, defining the curriculum, and setting up payment options if your course is to be sold. Creating a course on Gohighlevel is not just about uploading videos or documents, it's about crafting an experience for your learners. As you set up your course, think about how you can organize your content in a way that's engaging and facilitates learning. Use the tools provided to add quizzes, discussions, and other interactive elements to make your course not just informative, but transformative for your students. Remember, the key to a successful course is not just the quality of the content, but also how it's presented and accessed. Take your time to explore the features and customization options Gohighlevel offers to make your course stand out, and don't hesitate to experiment with different formats and structures to see what best resonates with your audience. And with that, you're ready to embark on your course creation journey on Gohighlevel. Whether you're looking to empower your clients, share your expertise with a broader audience, or create an additional revenue stream, you now have the know-how to start making it happen. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your success in creating impactful, engaging online courses.